So it really took around 5-8 minutes, and then it says you're ready to retake your photos. And then here's the logic: you just upload some original photo where you're not happy with that selfie, and then it will give you few options to choose from, few photos which are a bit better. So let's just try it out. Just an example. I'm not really preparing for it, and then you can just tap retake, and then you just choose a profile, and then your takes will be ready soon, ready in in this many seconds. So yeah, it doesn't take 8 minutes, but it takes 40 seconds. You can enable notifications to be notified. It's okay to go and close the app. So yeah, let's just wait another 10 seconds for this. And let's see what it offers. All right, so you need to wait even more. So here it is. So this is the original photo. This is retake. This is retake. This is adding some, and I can do it for free, kind of. So it's just changing the image, and then if you wanna create even more retakes, you can also do them from here. So yep, as you can see, it did it for me for free. It doesn't add insane improvements, but of course it depends on the quality of the photo you uploaded. I just did it randomly just to show you around, but seems it's not that bad. It doesn't make super perfect selfies, but it can do it, at least improve it. So here you can see if you can upgrade for $5 per week your personalized AI profile, remove all limits, access endless content. So that's just what you have here, and then this is your profile. You can go and delete data in the bottom if you're not happy with it. Yep, so and then you can also create another new profile to start retaking. So that's the app. Definitely give it a try. As I said, it's kind of being built by a famous team, Codespace Digital, who also built chatbot AI assistants. So yep, as you can see, this app is in top charts right now. So definitely give it a try, and it's pretty interesting app.